Nakuha mo sa kanta si Coach Pablo. Oh, naiyak tuloy si baby girl.
Baby girl with the red dress.
Hi, what's your name?
Seren po.
Seren?
Seren Kiva Pierce.
Seren.
Seren. You're so pretty, Seren.
Thank you so much.
Crush mo ba si Stel? Sabi na nga pa. Tingnan mo. Kanina,
Really?
ayaw
Tama.
niya. Tinititigan. Do you want a hug from Kuya Stel? Oh, Stel, hug mo na.
Sorry, hindi umikot si Kuya Stel, pero okay lang. You have Kuya Pablo. Ala, you're so pretty. Can you hug Kuya Stel? You're so pretty.
Oh, naiyak tuloy. Natapakan mo, Stel.
You're so cute. You're so pretty. Oh my God. Congratulations.
Hi,
Bumaba ka na,
Seren.
Stel, kasi baka mamaya ikaw na naman piliin.
Kahit ako piliin, dadalhin ko pa rin sa'yo.
Ihahatid kita. Is this your first time joining a contest?
Second term po.
Second
time. Okay, kaya medyo may kaba.
All my life, I was just joining pageants. For my talent, I sing and I play the piano. I told my mom that I really wanted to continue my dream here in Manila because there's a lot of singing competitions, and she finally gave in and said yes. I convinced my mom by crying. I was in an indie film called Angelita. Since the audition, I couldn't see myself being the main role because there was a lot of other great actors. I was so shocked that I learned that I got the role. Hi, Mommy and Daddy. I love you so much. Thank you for supporting me throughout my whole journey, and I love you so much and I miss you because my dad is in Iraq right now. I love you, Daddy.
Kasi alam mo ba, yung Make You Feel My Love ni Adele, it's one of my favorite songs. Meron pang point in my life na hindi ako nakakatulog, tapos yan lang yung pinapakinggan kong song. Hindi niya kailangan bumirit or something para ipahatid yung message niya. Pero nadadama ko yung sinasabi niya. Yun yung hinahanap ko kanina. Pwede ba kantahin mo siya dun sa original version niya na malumanay lang? Seren, gusto ko lang sabihin na ang galing-galing mo. I believe in you. Siguro ang pinaka-advice ko lang, huwag mo kakalimutan yung messaging ng song. Kasi yun yung makakapagpa-connect sa'yo sa audience. You don't have to prove anything. You just have to sing from your heart. Okay ba yun? Okay, we'll work on everything together and for sure mag-enjoy ka sa journey mo na.
Akala ko talaga wala nang iikot for me. I was very overwhelmed. Kaya tumalon-talon ako. Naiyak po ako kasi may umikot po para sa akin. Naakala ko po wala na po talaga. Thank you po talaga. Oh my God, ang gwapo niyo po.
Kaninong team kaya mapapabilang ang susunod na sasalang sa blind auditions? Let's all find out when The Voice Kids returns.